Emily, what sound does a dog make? And what does a cat say?
Meow.
What sound does a bear make?
Roar.
And what sound does a duck make?
Yeah.
Quack, quack.
Mine.
What does a chicken say?
Buck.
And what does an elephant say?
Elephant.
Elephant! What does an elephant say? That's right. What does a goat say? Uh-huh.
Mine.
What does a frog say?
Mine.
Are you gonna find a goat? What does a frog say?
Goat.
Goat.
King.
Here. What does a frog say?
Rabbit.
Uh-huh. What's a birdie say?
Reet.
Look at mommy.
Boy.
What does a horse say?
Boy.
Is that our baby?
Boy.
What does a horse say?
Yay!
Nay.